Pinakilala na ng Xiaomi ang bagong miyembro ng Redmi 13 series at ito ang Redmi 13R 5G. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron siyang 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. May 90Hz refresh rate with 600 nits high brightness mode at may Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection. Ang Redmi 13R 5G ay may operating system na MIUI 14 based on Android 13 out of the box with MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 6nm chipset na may Mali G57 MC2 na GPU. Ang phone na to ay may 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. Ang Redmi 13R 5G ay mayroong dual rear camera setup with 50MP main camera plus 0.08MP secondary camera with LED flash and HDR at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron siyang 5MP selfie camera with HDR na may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron itong 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 168.1 by 77.9 by 8.2mm at may timbang na 195 grams at ito ay naka-dual SIM. Meron itong side-mounted fingerprint scanner at meron siyang single loudspeaker. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS, FM radio, headphone jack, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Redmi 13R 5G ay around 7,800 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Redmi 13R 5G? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang bidyong ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!